Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Career Chats with RK. So in this video we are going to see the recently asked Tableau developer interview scenario, that is how to apply reset button to dashboard without using calculations. Okay, so basically what we do, we create one calculation reset, and after that we take a one image through the shapes. Okay, through the shape we take image and then we apply the reset button. So it's a lengthy process to apply a reset button. So interviewer wants to apply reset button without any calculations and without any images, or without using these shapes and everything. So how can you apply this? So for that, first we will connect to our data source, and for this we will use our sample superstore data. Okay, so in this sample superstore data, so let's create some visualizations to apply reset button. So first we will take region wise cells. Okay, so we will take region wise cells, and we will take category wise cells also. So we create two visualizations here. Okay, so our first visualization is region wise sum of cells, and second is category wise sum of cells. So we will show the filter of region. Okay, and likewise we will show the filter of category as well. Okay, so both the filters are shown here. So now create one dashboard. I will create one dummy dashboard here. Okay, so take your second sheet. It's first visualization that you have created region wise sum of cells, and the second visualization is category wise sum of cells. Okay, so I will make it as automatic. Yeah, so now it's done, and I will name it this dashboard as apply reset button. Okay, so now as you can see, we have two sheets here. If you want, I will give border to these visualizations. Okay, now as you can see, we have a two visualizations here. First is a region wise cells, and second is category wise cells, and we have a filters for the dimensions like region and category. So now suppose if I unselect furniture and office supplies, and here also if I unselect uh, all the regions and take only central or east. So if I select reset, it will automatically reset all the filters, and it will automatically take all the options. So how you can achieve this? So for that, without using any calculations and without using any images or any thing in the sheets or in the dashboards, simply you can use Tableau extensions here that is available in the Tableau dashboard objects. As you can see, we have a various dashboard objects here, like horizontal container, vertical extension, buttons, and lot of things here. So we will use extension from here. Okay, and in this extension you need to search filter bookmark. Okay, so I have already searched this. So through this search option, you can use this search this filter bookmarks option through this search button, and click on this filter bookmarks. Okay, after this, okay, so now I will take button style as a text button. If you want to take any image, reset button image, so through here image button, you can choose whatever image you want to choose through your local PC. But still, I will take it as a text button. Revert filters, okay, and ignore setting and just clear filters. Only reset filters, and whatever sheets we have, we want to reset the sheet filters. Select that sheet names. Okay, and one more thing that you need to remember, while applying the reset filter to the sheets, you need to choose all buttons here in the filters. So when you select all the buttons, like select all in the all the filters and then apply reset button, so it will work properly. If you didn't use apply all at the time of applying reset button, so it will not work properly. Okay, so while applying the reset button, remember this thing: click all the options in the filters and then select the sheets where you want to apply the reset button and click OK. And now I will make it as floating. Okay, reset the size and just take it in the below of the dashboard name. And now I will present the dashboard. So as you can see, we have our revert filters button here. Okay, so now if I suppose unselect all and select only east, and through category I will unselect all and select only office supplies. So now if I click on this revert filters, so it will automatically revert all the filters and make it as a all option automatically. Okay, so that's it in this revert button. Through the dashboard extension we have used without any calculation field. So that's it in this scenario, and that's it in this reset button. So I hope you guys like it. If you like it, please do like and subscribe for the channel. And that's it in this video. Thank you guys.